Township Entrepreneurs Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekasi.
Sanibonani Ninjani. I am, of course, Nothando Mazibuko, also known as Ubabe Samanzi or Mama Stay Up. The words and the names are endless. This is, of course, Stay Up Premium Water, only for the best. How Stay Up Premium Water came about, it was 2019. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, 2019, I had gone through the most roughest patch ever. I lost a loved one that was very dear to me, and I have a mentor called Mama, and we actually wanted to start an energy drink, but at that time that was a bit costly. So we actually started up the premium water, of course, which is basically centered at putting women in a business that's not really female dominated. You hardly get people that are in the water industry that are female dominated. And of course, it's also to actually create or take away the water scarcity as well. So the core business of Stay Up Premium Water, of course, is to actually create a fundamental where women are in a sector or in an industry that's not really male dominated. We also want to create a platform where we actually teach women to become much more bigger entrepreneurship, water scarcity, and I kid you not, in 2025 or 2026, water is going to be one of the biggest operating platforms or systems. We also do events, functions, personally branded water as well for your company, your corporates, and so forth. And to actually sum up Stay Up is actually a brand house. The concept of Stay Up is becoming a brand house. I'm not going to mention like who's, because I'll be name dropping, but we are aimed at becoming a brand house. Not only do we have water, we also have a PR and communications company that deals with events, facilitation, voiceovers, inductions, writing, media writing, public relations, and communications. And we've also grown into a clothing brand, which was initially how Stay Up came about, where we actually embrace women and their bodies, and also embrace men as well and their bodies, and how they can actually feel confident in your body as well. So yeah, in a nutshell, we are a brand house. We want to mungene kabetin lako je mo vuli kabeto. You've got Stay Up Premium Water, your peanut butter, your roll on, your lotions, the works. So that's the whole objective of the Stay Up, just to create a brand house. So where you can get a hold of me, you can get a hold of me on Instagram. My personal page, of course, is Tando_boss lady. I'll repeat that again, Tando_boss lady. Underneath it, that's all the business factors. But for Stay Up Premium Water, it's simple. We have Stay Up_Premium Water. We have Stay Up_communications. But in order to get all the details as well, simple, Tando_boss lady on Instagram, Tando Mazibuko on Facebook, and that's where you can actually get a hold of everything that we do. You can also give us a shout out as well on 073-823-9147. That's 073-823-9147. Cannot wait to get a hold of you and get to know each and every one of you guys. My name is Nothando Mazibuko, and I am a township entrepreneur.